I think yung Filipiniana ko really like saved my day. I need a drink. At kahit pangalan ko yan, te. Ayan ah.
Ako feeling ko naman lahat makakasundo kung maliban dun sa unang uuwi. Feeling ko yung susunod na lalabasin yung unang uuwi.
Ready siya mag-lip sync for your life, oh. Give me na, silk na. I'm ready to lip sync for my life, bitch! Oh, isa nga diyang jump split. Dito, dito ka sa gitna ba?
Sabi ko, as in nakatingin kasi siya sa akin, sabi ko, ang sarap mo. Wow.
Naranasan nyo na makipag-sex pagkatapos ng D-drug, yung ganun-ganun pa yung titi nyo,
Wow,
yung nyo, yung...
Kiyauti, mama. Hindi ako confident. Sabi niya, sana si Corazon yung mag-bottom. Kasi pageant queen siya. Tapos hindi niya deserve
Hindi ka niya
ito.
kaya consider na drag queen.
Masaya ako, pero I'm not contented.
Why? Because?
I should be the
Be on the
top.
top. Oh.
Ay, hindi ka pwede mag-host ng mga ganyan kung ang binaano mo lang,
Yes.
inuungkat mo lang yung mga problema ng iba, channeling.
Nagtatanong yung isa, let's give everyone
Others,
to answer.
Ay, hindi, bawal. Karing lang.
That's so rude. I mean,
Ay, naku, paano kung nandito si Venus, hindi ka talaga makakasalita.
Pero ang talent sa pagkanta, pero dahil makapal ang mukha ko, carry ko.
Oo.
Pero hindi ako magaling.
Oo.
Cheers with us.
Oh my God, napakaingay niyo.
So wala pang bottom and top?
Who got the worst comment, girl? I'm ending every dead air.
Ako hindi ko mapatawa sa inyo, pero hindi ko sila mapatawa.
You look amazing
You just
tonight.
had a bad day. It doesn't mean you have a bad drug.
Exactly. Putang iingay nyo!
O, sino may fishball? Leave it all on stage.
Even my shoes.
Huwag mo ibigay yan kahit kanino. At ang galing sa'yo sa sapatos mo na baked potato, ha? And then the clothes. Pero ikaw. Pero, hindi, joke lang. Ikaw nga sabi namin, ay pang view ko, mali ang contest niya.
Oo, alam mo na sis,
Ayusin mo yan, tinan mo. Ay, hindi, safe ka naman, okay lang.
Ay, ang ganda ng dress!
Hindi na to kasha sa'yo, Tom.
Asa na ba yung balikbayan box mo?
Ano pa, hindi ba? Turing.
Hindi kasi medyo tired na talaga ako na sasabong kami ni Marina. Kaya rin ako nanggigil sa'yo one time doon sa show. Hindi mo na kailangan i-steer, lalo na kung wala ka rin namang alam about it.
Why?
Just because you talk so much.
Yeah. I talk so much a lot. This turing, pinag-pray over ako na ako yung unang matanggal kasi I don't belong in the group. That because I'm a pageant girl, I should go home first.
Not really.
Okay.
I was just joking, Corazon.
Okay. She didn't say that.
Just.
consider this your lucky charm.
You are a fucking star. I know, Marina. You better fucking win this.
Remember, this is just the beginning.
Actually, like, looking at their dresses compared to my dress,
I can see the disappointment in your face.
para akong doon, naligaw na bala. Sa grupo ng mga, really? Parang, hindi ako belong doon.
Only week 2.
Yeah.
Still have more chances of
Oo,
winning.
actually. Yeah.
How about you, Brigading, with your second glass?
Second, safe.
I didn't like, how does it feel to be safe?
Ako masaya. I'm still on the game.
Yes.
Kasi Marina, yun nga, from the rest, but of course, yeah, may mas tsaka. But from the rest, you did less than the others. I
She
thought,
saw us in the bottom
I
down.
thought top 3 bottoms and that I'll be one of the first tops, something like that.
If you feel that way, then you don't know exactly your brand.
Marina Summers. Summer girl. Beach. I go for opulence every time. And I hope that translates. Silhouette.
Distinct.
Black.
Continue na.
Minty fresh. High fashion.
Fashion forward.
What is unique about
What is
Brigading?
unique about?
Yung makeup mo kasi, yung Brigading talaga.
So, gayahin ko yung makeup mo na.
Hindi naman.
Brigading is sort of becoming, vanilla ice cream. She's sweet, but not everyone's favorite. You know what I mean? Tired giving them airtime, but If that's what they want, then, you know, they don't have that much left, so I'm gonna give it to them.
Brigiding knew that there was something between us na kahit anong sabihin ko, iti-take against me. She asked us if magkakaroon ng big all-stars, parang kayo tatlong winners
like all winners, all winners.
All winners. I don't want any drama. I don't want anything to do with it. I said it to you. Remove this question.
Dito ka na.
I'm sorry for saying your name.
No, it's okay. So what happened?
She said sorry, pero don't apologize for that. This is a game.
Yung disconnect lang.
At least malinis yung makeup ko. Mukha kang babae. Ikaw, tawag ka ba sa girl? Kaiba ka na.
Kaiba ang sastre sa designer. More on sastre ako, nanahi ako. So,
Got a good critic?
Tangina, 4 kami bakla sa pamilya. Ay, di may girl group kami. Ah, ito, yung chicken wire.
Manok ba yung daddy mo?
Ha? Lumaki ako sa mga construction sites.
Kaya pala laki ng katawan mo, ah. Mukha mo yung daddy mo.
Oo nga.
Pares kayo ng nose!
Oh my God,
Guys,
corazon!
yeah.
Pero yung sa kanya, matangos talaga kasi may blood ng Spanish yung daddy ko.
Kinalimutan ko na yung lipstick song. Kahit kakain na lang kami ng sabay-sabay, mapapansin pa nila yung daliri ko, ganyan humawak sa kutsara. Mapagalitan pa ako.
didn't have like that, alam mo yun, parang wala akong emotional attachment with any dads. Except for na yung mom and dad ko.
Pag nakikita ko yung mga post ng papa niya,
Totoo,
natatawa talaga ako sa sa selfie sa mangga, sa jean.
I'm not here for that eh. I'm here to win this.
Issue ba ninyo ni Gigi is talaga na bang close na ba siya? Or meron pa kayong magustong sabihin sa
Hindi,
isa't
kasi
isa?
ako, ilagay mo yung sarili mo sa pwestong yun.
Yeah, okay, fine. Inutak mo ako. And like, at that moment,
Sinabihan ka ni Marina na wag na eh.
Okay, but ito, like,
At
for
least
you.
that
For
much
you.
is clear with you.
Yeah.
Hindi mo naman alam, wala kang
nakita ko
alam
doon
dun sa issue, yun yung point ko.
Yeah. Wala akong alam sa issue, but
Ang dapat
yeah,
wala
still.
kang pakialam.
Yeah. Hindi ka aware, hindi kita nasabihan na, okay, Min, pag-uusapan ko yung topic niyo or something. But, parang,
Ewan ko, siguro gumagawa siya ng eksena kasi lagi siyang safe.
it was like, oh, okay, drag is so sensitive in the Philippines.
It's not sensitive. You're insensitive.
Yun yun.
I'm just like, nagets na kita. Okay, I understand my mistakes. And I'm like trying to say like, this is what's my point. And tapos na yun eh, di ba? Akala ko,
Eh, di ba sinimulan natin ulit?
hindi, akala ko tapos na yun eh. Parang napag-uusapan na lang. But parang interested ka ulit. I didn't know any background, any...
That's the point, sis. Dapat hindi mo na kasi ginagawang topic pa for your show. Yung sinasabi ko, bakit di pa nang gamitin yung issue namin ni Marina?
I'm just steering it.
Oo nga,
And then
bakit?
what?
Anong point mo? Para magka-ratings yung show
No,
ko?
not just for a rating, but
Bakit
because it was my
nga?
show. But or ever like thought of maybe I was too sensitive or maybe I reacted too much at that time. We are drag queens,
Anong
sis.
ginawa?
So parang hindi ko siya i-agad
Sinasabi
sa'yo.
ko na okay na ako ngayon.
Okay.
Na okay na.
Mm-mm.
Huwag na natin pag-usapan. Kahit huwag na natin pag-usapan, okay lang.
I apologize for that.
Oo, di okay.
Work! Oh my God!
Kala ko challenge ko to eh.
Kaya nga, I thought I had it as well.
Same. We just had a bad day. It doesn't mean we have a bad drag. Yeah.
Nakahanda na rin ako. I mean, performer ako. Okay? So, tanggap ko.
Or sa shows, laging may tanong siya, ibabato siya na about Marina.
She's saying I'm crazy. I wasn't listening.
It's not the end of my journey. Magulat pa sila. Bigla kang babalik, di ba?
Ate Turing, bigyan mo ako ng maraming sneakers paglabas mo, ha? Pero promise me, aabot ka sa finals. Trust me, pagdarasal kita, okay? Pero Gigi, kung nanonood ka, naisahan kita sa Palo Sebo, girl. Palong-palo. Lamig ba ka magkapulong na ako? I'm a Rue girl. Hello. Sampung natira, tapos si Prince, at least hindi ako pork chop.
Mama Pao told me that finally she saw my brand. I'm the brightest star, so happy na ako doon.
Winning with the group is already a win for me, even though I don't have a badge. I still have the crown for winning that girl group challenge.
My God.
Oh my God, mag-iinom na naman.
Sexy sorry, Manong!
Oh my God.
Ayoko minom.
Girl, imagine. Habang buhay na yun.
Yes, I drink. Oh my God,
Ano pa sila? Let's congratulate Turing.
How does it feel winning a performance challenge, a dance challenge even?
I've always loved dancing. I was just made to believe that dancing was not for me. because I am being mocked consistently. What if it was a label? I don't think I would have had that kind of confidence in myself and in what I can do kung hindi kayo yung kasama ko.
The first time I saw them, I was like,
It is bland.
the shades. Three songwriters. 2 badgers. Feels like kasi na parang you are making yourself look stupid.
No, nakakagulat talaga yun.
Ako lang naman kasi I'm just observing na
They asked kasi kung who they think should go home.
they asked you?
For us?
Yeah.
Sabi lang
Everyone.
oo nga.
And everyone.
Oh? Hindi yung gagawa pa kayo ng moment to dramatize everything. What? Eva doesn't dance. We know that.
People really still think that I'm not that good as a dancer. Go ahead. You were saying?
Oh, sorry if you feel offended by that. Hindi problema sa akin na mag-sorry. Unlike with other queens.
I choose myself because blah blah.
Bakit ma?
Oh, alam niyo ba kung gano'n to kahirap sa akin? Marina, you know this. You've been my daughter. I have to be honest. Gusto ko na pong umuwi. I could opt to have a Filipiniana made 300,000. Napakadali sa akin. Sige, make me a fucking Filipiniana. How much would it cost? Grabe. Ukatin ganito, kakalkalin to, papalabasin ganito, iwawarla ko dito, ganyan ganon.
Ano daw?
That's why I'm badly hurt. With us two. Never. Ikaw, sige, pag-uwi mo ng bahay mo, yung nanay mo, bigla ka di kilala. How would that make you feel? Sa inyo na yung crown. Sa inyo na. Hindi ako tatambay. Hihinga lang, sarapan ako, igagala na ako ulit.
I'm still gathering some data. Kind of like expected na rin. Alam mo yun, parang hindi talaga. Australia! I'm coming back! Oh! Gigi! Palong-palo! Ah!
I don't really understand what is it they want to see.
This ka first time ko to, Eva.
Here's to being safe for my 4th time.
You're being too good looking. Then you should be up there.
Or am I trying to be perfect too much? To be pretty too much? So parang nakakalungkot 4th week na naman na I don't know what do I have to step up.
Sa branding, parang what is the Brigading brand?
It's perception. Ako, I never had to come out to my parents. Sinama ko agad siya sa family outing namin sa Boracay. Nagkaroon lang sila ng issue accepting na I do drag. I did it on national TV because I'm drama like that.
Hi, Briggs. Kamusta ka na dyan?
Hi!
I miss you, Briggs. I love you.
Baka yun yung message or yung hinihintay mo para mas ma-push ka.
Double shante ito. Lakasan mo yung loob mo ha. Lalaban ako. Lumaban ka. Kailangan dalawa tayo magsistay. Walang uuwi sa atin tonight.
What happened?
Hi, everyone. Get your drink.
I fainted.
Ha? Ano?
You fainted? Why?
Pinipi naman siya, normal naman daw. Diba?
Pero, close kasi kita.
Hi, Mag! Kumusta ka dyan? Namiss ka na mo.
Dami kong pagkukulang ko sa nanay ko, pero salamat.
Alam mo nga bakla. Oh my God! Alam mo ba kung ilang singing contest sinalihan ko? 375 lang na panalunan ko. The whole experience will make you stronger.
May double shante ito. Yes. You make history. You'll be the first double shante in the Philippines.
Basta mga baklang to nag-aalisan sa antak.
Definitely si Vinyas ay pinaplastic lang po ako kasi wala siyang letter sa akin. Isa siyang malaking plastic. Nanalo pa ako kahit isang challenge, kahit papaano naka-80 mil ako, di ba? Taga mo sa bato. Promise. Good night lang muna.
I am
buti na lang safe. Deserve ko namang ma-safe kasi nag-play safe ako.
I was safe. Oh my God. And we had pizza with the antak, you know. Ang sarap ng pulutan. Let's get our drink.
First time ni Brigading mapunta doon.
Oh, be careful what you wish for. Diba? Ang Jolog is meron kayong mga ano.
Yung mga nasa ilalim niya ng shield.
Oo.
Ang tanda.
Tapos sabi ko kay Marina, this is a dream come true. Alam mo yung bukod sa drag, parang ang sarap-sarap maging bakla.
And I thank you.
Oh my God. Something you will tweet, no?
Oo. Tapos itatag kita. Nagpaka-safe ako, to be honest.
I was not bullied by anyone but myself. You know, I am my own biggest bully.
Baka ito na naman tayo, magkaroon na naman ako ng critiques na parang I'm not giving my all. I'm giving my 100%. Nagpaka-safe ako, to be honest.
I gave them body, I gave them face, I gave them character, and I gave them comedy.
Precious. Nagampanan naman niya yung pagiging syunga-syunga niya.
By the way, my ex-girlfriend before, by the way, is Kevin Balot. So, yeah.
What?
We've been together for like 3 years dati. So, we dated for a year.
But did you ask any?
Eh, doon na yung nakalagay sa script eh.
But did you ask?
Pero hindi mo ba na-feel na parang you're serving less than everyone else?
No.
It's fun.
Yeah, it's fun.
campy.
It's fun.
I never
Seryoso.
expected you to wear like that coming here in this competition. Ever.
Yung choreography is very rush, mas mabilis pa sa Rush ID. kaya nasabi ko LB, laban.
I want her here more than Brigading.
And it's gonna be a lip sync battle for your life.
Masakit for me. Baka medyo nagsawa na din yung mga judges.
Malungkot ako kasi dalawa sa Divine Sisters ko ay na-bottom.
It doesn't mean that you have a bad day, you have a bad drag. Kung ko in-expect na isa ko sa mga mapili sa season 1, always smile. S-M-I-L-E. Thank you, Miss Kaladkaran, for this gift. I love it.
Sakit ng betlog ko. Ano to? Mag-isa lang po ako dito. Parang first time po may mag-antak mag-isa, no? To ba?
Ano kaya nangyari sa labas?
I was expecting that I would be in the bottom. Really, like, sayang once in a lifetime opportunity. Pag pinalagpas ko, baka hindi na ako matanggap sa season 2.
Asan si Precious?
Baka nasa Pokeball.
Hi, Pika! It's me! Enter! Kaway ka, third!
May God's blessing be with you today and always.
Whole family. I mean, she looked like Maria Sofia Love. She looked amazing, but hindi siya mananalo sa botohan.
Nakakalungkot kasi may chance na mag-lip-sync kami ng sister ko. Pero
Oh my God. You will not be the star. You will not be the most brightest star. But that doesn't mean that you are not a star.
Sorry, pero nasa-separate na yung queens sa princesses.
I'm proud of my look. I love this. I think
you look amazing.
this is me. I made this myself.
I think it's a strong night for me.
Yep. I think you got this in the bag as well.
kamusta? Ano-anong pakiramdam mo? Either either forgetting or Piñas.
Ito yung rosary ng mom ko.
I'll put it here.
Lagi itong nasa akin pag run.
Sis, I love you. Don't cry. This is ours. Can I bring the fishbowl there?
Ay, magpa-chicharong bulaklak naman kayo.
Oo, chicharong bulaklak talaga eh. Lalaban ko talaga maging safe.
Gaga.
Wait, please follow me, please.
Teka lang yung olives ko.
That's another episode of Untalk. This is your host, Marina Summers. See you next week.
I'm expecting for the worst. It's gonna be a new version of Brigading that will go up to the end of this competition.
Oh my God! Chicharong bulaklak!
Ay, meron?
Born naked and the rest is red.
I felt so humiliated at that time. I felt so small.
And initially before this week, you said you want to be critiqued by Raho.
Yeah!
Congrats,
And
how
Raho
was it?
called this trash. The bottoms are Precious, Eva, and Venus.
Really?
Yep.
Why?
Why not?
I mean, why?
I was trash. I was called a trash.
Labanan mo yan, labanan mo yan, labanan mo yan. Labanan mo yun. Meron pa tayong kailangan gawin.
You didn't even had a bad day, you just had a bad dress.
Bad dress.
Hi, mahal. I missed you. I love you. Nandito hail like queen.
All hail the queen!
Oh, hey, la queen!
Hi, Titoy. How are you doing? I hope you are happy and safe. We miss you so much and can't wait to see you soon.
Oh my gosh!
Ano daw sabi ng pamangkin ko?
Okay lang ba magtanong?
Bakit nag-uusap kami tapos bigla kang...
Because of the gravity inside the popcorn. Hindi, alam mo, sa look mong to, nailayo mo kami sa kwadra.
Alam mo yun? So, mas kaya namin siyang pag-usapan. Tiga mo to magtatanong tapos tatalikuran ako.
Si Marina, pwede mo maliitin. Silhouette.
maliit talaga ako.
Na maganda rin naman yung pinakita niya.
Maganda din yung look mo.
Thank you, salamat.
Hindi ko din na-expect.
Wait lang, ang fake.
Liligwakin niya si Marina Summers levels.
Diligwakin saan?
Liligwakin sa top. Sa badge, yun na lang.
3 weeks. Tapos magtataka siya.
Pero 3 weeks din kasi ako nasa top, sis. Ikaw?
6 weeks nasa top.
Oh! Hindi, I love this look. Totoo yun.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Ang level ng alak namin din sa amin.
You think it's disrespectful? Absolutely.
Just learn your fucking song, girl.
Is this a total Gonzaga moment? Sorry, ba? Sorry.
You are top caliber drag queen. You're one of the best. And yet you're so down to earth. Parang, oh my God, I'm going against the biggest lip sync assassin in the industry. Tingin ako sa mata ni Ra. Who do you think you are?
Who do you think you are, bitch?
Alam sa energy, di ba? Pauwi na. Laban tayo ulit. I love you so much. Tangina mo. Evil queen. Ba't may mura, sis? Pinagbigyan na nga kita. Ciao! Bye, everyone! Aray. Pauwi na comedy pa.
I hope it translated well enough for us to win another rematch.
Oh my God, but so may pagkain, no?
Anong pulutan today?
Taray nung antak natin, bubukas ako ng regalo.
Regalo natin yung paa ni Jan Jan.
Yeah, more into modeling siya, drag, gano'n. Puro rubber shoes ako, rubber shoes. Kasi pag nag-heels ako, para akong yung lakad ko parang nakangiwi-iwi.
I have to rehearse
You think you're in the bottom?
Yes, of course! Duh!
If ever manalo ako, kuha agad kami ng passport niya. Kasi bago nawala si Mama, gusto niya kumuha ng passport. Hindi na nagawa. He got bullied a lot. As in, talagang lagi siyang, igante. Lagi siya mga classmates niya. Yun lang, kaya tipika, I love you so much. I love you. I love you. Oh. Mas maganda siya sa'yo, te.
Mas maganda nga siya sa akin. At saka
Biniyayaan talaga siya.
Correct.
Nag-sex na kayo? Bakit? Bakit yung mga best friend ko sinesex ko dati? Ay, sorry. Ay, yung kapatid ko.
Yung itsura ko today, ganito lang yung mga itsura nung dinodrawing ko sa likod ng notebook dati. Tapos ngayon...
Actually, hindi ko talaga alam how to find the strength to come into the workroom after last week.
Top 12 na ulit tayo. I love it.
Bye.
Amazing. Amazing.
Nung napanalo ko, yung, yung...
Shota.
Here, getting to know you, I am surprised.
Thank you.
So surprised.
Tingin mo, it's me and...
Feeling
unfinished business.
Tayong nag-lip sync. I love you so much.
Yes, yes.
Feeling ko nasa bottom ako kasi ako aminado ako mismo na hindi ko nabuo yung outfit ng kapatid ko.
That's another episode of Fun Talk. This is your host, Marina Summers. See you next week.
Char. Aww. Charing. Let's get fisted. Char. You'll always be the brightest star.
I'm feeling gracious, I'm feeling thankful, I'm feeling powerful, and I can't wait to win.
Muna, anak. Okay. Kasi it's... I've got green olives.
I'm silhouette. Kaya mo kasi ba rin sapatos mo?
But girls, today, did you feel like the chance to wear your best drag?
Oo.
Nakangiti na yung heart ko.
Nakangiti yung heart. Sabi niya, sabi niya, right? This is something na hindi nangyayari sa lahat. Sana wag na kayo mag-season 2. Sa amin lang to.
Tama na. Kami na yung...
Ewan ko ba?
Isang kagat muna dyan.
Gutom din ako.
I'm very, very, very thankful to be part of this cast. And very, very thankful for this crispy patat that they are passing over me.
I'm really, really happy talaga. Walang mapaglagyan yung pasalamat ko na nakasama ko kayo at hindi yung Divine Divas. Char! Eme lang.
Not saying that I don't want the crown or to win, not that. It just goes to show that there is more bigger than the trophy, the crown, or the grand prize. It was the happiest for me because lalo kong nalaman sa sarili ko how I truly love my partner and how it matters most to me.
Ako syempre nagka-badge ako. And yung...
Sana all.
Is this the top 5 that we expected?
Ako hindi.
How about you, Miss Silhouette? Miss or Mr. Silhouette?
Mix Silhouette. This is the Philippines' finest. Alam mo yun? And this is the future of drag. Filipino drag at its finest. Pero salamat pa rin sa Crispy Pat.
Amen.
Oh my God.
Hi, Ate Girls! Parang kailan lang. We love you, Ate Girl, and we will see you soon.
Wala, hindi nila pinaramdam sa akin na different ako. Hindi ko naramdaman yun. Hindi ko naramdaman na may mali sa pagiging ako. I'm a superstar, I'm a professional, and I have to do it for the shot. If I have to jump over there, I would just to win the crown.
Ako unang nagka-first na badge. Ako yung unang nagkaroon ng 2. Tapos, part pa ako ng boat. Safe. Iiwan ko lang yung amoy ko for good luck and for more freshness. World, Minty Fresh is coming for you.
Let's look back at the sickening moments that made us gag from the memorable untucked moments in the work.